Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sidewalk chalk. Going to need a few ingredients from the craft store, which would be Plaster of Paris and Tempera paint. The Tempera paint, you could actually get the exact same thing at Target for the same price as Joann's, and then some duct tape, wax paper, and some molds. I used a paper towel and some toilet paper rolls for some of the molds, and you just want to tape up with duct tape one end of the container. And then on the inside, you're going to want to roll up a piece of wax paper and stick it inside each tube. And you can tape this to the side, just a little piece of tape at the top so it holds it, because I did have like one that slipped down when I was trying to pour it. That is optional. And then you're going to take 1 cup of water and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of paint, just until you get the color that you're looking for. Once you have that mixed together, you're going to want to measure out 1.5 cups of the Plaster of Paris and then start mixing. And since this is plaster, it does start to set up fairly quickly, so you're going to want to make sure that you're ready to pour as soon as you get to this step, so set up all your molds first. Then after I had everything mixed, I went ahead and poured it into my containers. And this is really cool because you could do whatever colors you want. You can layer the different colors to like tie-dye it. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. And if you're doing it in the tubes, make sure you tap it, because some of the thicker batches, it has a lot of air pockets in it, so you want it to be really compact. So I also made a batch of blue. And purple, and I did yellow as well. So all in all, I think I did 3 batches of chalk, but I still have a ton of plaster left. So this is what it looks like. I let it set for about an hour until it was firm. You could squeeze it and tell that it's hard and it's been set up, and then you could remove them from the molds. It's safe after they've been set up to remove them, and you're going to want to put them on a drying rack or somewhere to dry completely, which will take about 24 hours before you use them. And here I am unwrapping the ones in the paper rolls. These are so easy because the moisture in the water kind of goes through it, and then it makes it super easy to remove it. It just comes right off. I love the way the blue turned out. You could tell it's still wet, you could tell from the video, so let that set. And these are all the molds that I did together. Did some big hearts, some little hearts, and just some round pieces of chalk. Then after they dried, I went outside to test their pigment, and they're very smooth, and I really like the way they turned out. And then my son even took some to his indoor chalkboard, and that worked pretty well too, as you can see. And when I was trying to tape him, he didn't really want to cooperate in demonstrating the chalk. But yeah, that's how it turned out. I'm going to do some other summertime like kid DIY things, so stay tuned for that, and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching.